Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Arenthia, there reigned a wise and benevolent king named Eldric. King Eldric was known far and wide not just for his prosperous kingdom, but for his cherished 7 daughters, each one unique like the colors of the rainbow. As they grew, they were admired not just for their beauty, but their extraordinary talents. The eldest, Princess Seraphina, was a gifted musician whose melodies could warm the coldest of hearts. Lysandra, second in line, was a brilliant scholar who loved to solve the kingdom's most perplexing riddles. Arabella, the third daughter, was blessed with the voice of an angel. Her concerts drew citizens from near and far. Princess Clarice was a talented artist whose paintings captured the essence of Arenthia's landscapes. Genevieve, the fifth daughter, was a healer with hands that could mend both physical and emotional wounds. Penelope, full of laughter, was a skilled jester who knew how to uplift spirits during dark times. Finally, the youngest, little Rosalind, could magically coax any plant to bloom, reflecting her vibrant spirit. King Eldric adored his daughters and often called upon them for counsel in matters of state. However, a neighboring king, jealous of Eldric's wisdom and the unity of his family, plotted to drive a wedge between them. He concocted a rumor that King Eldric planned to have only one daughter marry nobility while others would remain in the shadows, an idea far from Eldric's thoughts. The king's daughters, though initially distressed by the rumors, soon banded together, knowing well the trickery of deceitful courts. They approached their father, seeking assurance. Rather than speaking in anger or confusion, King Eldric shared with them a story of a tree in the royal gardens. He explained how each branch was integral to the whole. Without each branch, he said, the tree cannot thrive. He treated each of them as a precious branch, vital in their own right. The daughters realized this simple wisdom carried deep truth for their lives. Rejecting the rumors, the daughters turned their talents outward, working together to further unite the kingdom. Seraphina's music brought peace in troubled times. Lysandra helped solve diplomatic dilemmas, and Arabella sang songs of unity. Clarice's art inspired hope. Genevieve healed tensions. Penelope's laughter spread lightness, and Rosalind's blooms heralded seasons of prosperity. The kingdom flourished with harmony and joy, and the jealous king's plans crumbled under the strength of family and unity. Thus, in Arenthia, King Eldric and his 7 daughters taught their people the greatest lesson, that together they could withstand any storm.